What gets you out of bed? What gets you off the couch? What gets you in the gym? It's not your alarm. It's not your parents. It's not your friends. It's you. The only one that can make it happen for you is you.
It's really hard to be led by your butt. But I'm not qualified. But I'm not good enough. But I'm not smart enough. But I didn't go to the right school. But I don't have enough money. But. If you're ever gonna step into your future, if you're ever gonna step into your destiny, you're gonna have to get over your butt.
And that's what a pity party is when you have an undisciplined mind and you meditate on the wrong thing over and over and over again. If you're going to throw a pity party, I give you 3 days and that's it. And after 3 days, you cut off your record player, your iPod, your MP3, and you come up with the plan.
So, ang purpose nito ay ito, sasalpak natin dyan, handrail. Ayan. So, hindi ko mapihit kasi hawakan ko yung ano. So, hindi pa natin maano yan. To-turn on kasi hindi pa ito nakapin. So, once na nahigpitan na po yan at ino natin to ay go sa mag-automatic yan, pataas, sa pababa. So, yan po yung purpose po niya ng adapter. So, adapter po natin. So, yan. So, once na ano po natin, so naragyan po natin ang pin yan. So, magagamit na po natin to. So, yan. So, magagamit na po natin yung adapter. So, kompleto na po to. So, yan. So, ayan na po siya. So, okay na po yan. Partner niya. Yan. So, gagawin na po natin ay tawag nito. Lalagyan natin ito ng pin. Yan. Pwede rin po natin yung heat treatment o i-oven para dagdagan natin yung harden niya. So yun. So maraming salamat kabakal, maraming salamat.